CFX, it's good. Oh, let's go for it. Let's go for it, guys. Let's go for it. I think we're about to buy it, guys. We are about to buy it, guys. Looks like it's going up. Is it going up or going down? It's going up. Maybe I should go and buy the higher price. Oh, good. Awesome. We bought it, guys. We have bought it. How much did we buy of CFX? CFX is looking good, guys. CFX is looking good. We bought it $49.92. Okay, let's go and check the charts to see where are we looking at it go to, guys. Where are we looking at it go to? We wanted to go to 40.46. That was where it got to in the Harveys. Okay, 40.46. Let's go and check that. Let's check that. Let's see. Let's go to convert. We are doing this in convert, guys. Let's go ahead and do this, guys. Are you with me here? Are you watching what I am doing, guys? Look at it. So let's go ahead and pick that one. We are talking about CFX. CFX, and then we will convert that. Convert limit, don't forget, to USDT. USDT, come on, guys. So we are here. What do we have here? We're currently in profit. Can you see? No, we're not yet in profit. Oh, sorry, we are not. It's gone down a bit. So we want to change this to 40. Let's see whether if we change this to 40, what will it give us? 50.34. That's not much. We want to see 2%. 2% means that it was at $49.92. We want to see at least $1. That will be $50.90. We need to get it to at least $50.90. Okay, let's see 5. That's a lot. That's a lot. 4.1. Okay, that's a lot. Let's put 105. I think I love this one. 50.97, slightly above $1. That is fine. We will go with this. Okay, let's go with it, guys. Let's go with it. Let's go with it. So CFX is currently in the queue, guys. Yeah. Can you see? CFX is currently here. CFX is currently here. So we are waiting to see 50.97. We bought it with 49.92. So that's slightly above 2%, slightly above that, which is cool. So we're going to 40. That's 405. All right, let's go see what's going on right now. And then we need to see and take a screenshot. Let's take a screenshot, guys. Let's see what is going on here. So we are expecting that to go and cross over. We just needed to get to, where do we need it to get to, guys? We just needed to get to, let's see, we just needed to get to, we're just saying 405. We don't need it to be so far away. Just let it just break this record slightly, okay? So here we are. So we currently have taken this one. CFX is trying its best. It's trying its best. Oh, it's going up, guys. It's going up. Can we have CFX execute? Let's see. Can we have CFX execute right here and now? Let's see. It's at 39.75. Where are we supposed to get it as? Let's see. Let's see. What was the amount we bought it? Oh, what am I doing? What's the amount we bought it? Let's see. Let's check the amount we bought it. That's CFX. Let's see how much we bought it. 49.92. Okay, 49.92. And then convert. What is it supposed to convert as? At what price? CFX. Let's see. CFX. It's supposed to be at 405. Okay. Let's see what it's doing. It's at 3974, 3969. Okay, let's just leave it. Oh, it's still a bit slightly far. CFX has executed and it gave us 50.97, right? So as you can see, 50.97 for CFX. Let me just take that screenshot. Now we're gonna go check how much we actually bought. That's 50.97. So let me go and check how much we bought. I think it was, I'm not exactly sure, but I'll have to check. You know, that was CFX, right? How much did we buy? We bought, okay, see it. We bought 49.92. Okay, 49.92. Alrighty. So let's go. No, not convert. We're not going to convert. We are going to calculate how much this is. Okay. So we are calculating how much this is. So we have 50 points. Is it 50.90 or 50.97? I think it's 97. Let me go and check. Just wanted to be sure because I'm not sure. Let's go and check it. Okay. I think it was 97. Am I sure it's 97? I think it's 97. CFX 50.97. That's it. 50.97. You have to be very careful when it comes to calculations because you don't want to make a mistake. You don't want to make a mistake. Yeah, you don't want to make a mistake, guys. So let me go ahead and then go back to, no, what am I saying? I'm going back to the calculation. Sorry. All right. So minus 49.92. That gave us $1.05. That's slightly more than 2%, right? Yeah, thank you very much. Yes, yes, yes. So we will go ahead and just calculate this. So this is 50.97 minus 49.92. So we'll now put that 49.92 times, I think that's 2.1. Okay, what was that supposed to be? 105, right? 105. So 15. Oh, no, that's supposed to be, let me just put 2 there. Yeah, what is that? 2.1. 2.11. Okay, 2.11% is fine. So what we have here is 2.11%, which is a $1.05 that we made on CFX. Yes, yes, yes. CFX has given us this